DJ, the ultimate party on wheels, and I'm coming to you live from Lightning McQueen's Racing Academy, the souped-up and tricked-out training facility that's got rookies and racers driving in from all over the world. And we want to hear from you, his friends, his fans, all you rookie racers. Call in all those horns and great things are going from Lightning McQueen. Step in and sure to hit the spot and your bugs are going.
The official transport truck, number 95 South, Lightning McQueen. Come on, drive on in. All lanes are open.
That's right, Matt. Come on in, rookie racers. I'm Sally Carrera.
McQueen's better than half, if I do say so myself.
Why, thank you, Matt. Excitement is in the air as Lightning McQueen is driving in to share his racing insights with all of you.
Oh, well, actually, Sally, I drove him in. So I guess you could say that Lightning McQueen is brought to you today by me.
Nice one, Matt. Hey, let's test the rookies on their Lightning McQueen knowledge.
Great idea.
Who is Lightning McQueen's official sponsor?
Dynaco, Drum Fresh, or Rusty's?
All right, let's say it all together on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Rusty's!
Great job, rookies.
Look, more rookie racers. Welcome, everyone. As you enter the Racing Academy, pick a lane and find a parking spot. Remember to drive all the way down your lane to make room for every car.
In just a few minutes, we'll be off to the races with Piston Cup winner Lightning McQueen.
7-time Piston Cup winner.
And Lightning isn't the only Piston Cup winner around today. Of course, I'm talking about Cruz.
Hey, everybody. In which event did Cruz have her racing debut?
Crazy 8, World Grand Prix, or Florida 500.
All right, everybody. Shout out the answer on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Crazy 8!
Oh, nice going, rookies.
Yeah! Oh, Cruz and Lightning have been working on a demo for today that's going to knock your tires off.
Cruz really knows her racing. I'd give her 2 thumbs up.
Welcome, rookie racers, to Lightning McQueen's Racing Academy. A few rules of the road before we get started. No open food or drink inside the training facility. If taking photos or videos, make sure your flash are turned on. And the last and most important rule, especially for your little racers, please remain perfect in your seat at all times. That means no crawling or standing on the benches. Thank you very much. Good job.
And now, the car champion you've all been waiting for.
Commander! Well, y'all thought it was gonna be someone else. Well, hey there, rookie racers. You're parked in Lightning McQueen's Racing Academy. My bestest buddy, Lightning McQueen, done asked me to introduce him. So I put together a little thing I call Lightning McQueen, the untold story that ain't done yet been told. And here it is, singing style. Oh, I gotta push the button. Shoot, I knew that. There's a story of a car, Piston Cup racer, rookie star. End of the season went that far to a crazy three-way tie. Everybody say, hey, go! Hey, go! They got lost late one night, made new friends. They come, that's right. Found a new home, sunny and bright, in radiator spring. Trade by dog, he did not win because he chose to help a friend. Chick Hicks won, but in the end, he's a phony champion. Everybody shout, pony, pony. Racing, chasing, cross the nation, winning Piston Cups, amazing. Watch him now and listen to him. He'll teach you to race
introduction.
Well, nothing's too good for my best buddy. I pulled out all the stops. Lights, lasers, smoke.
There was no smoke.
No smoke.
Thanks, Mater. Hello, everyone. Wow, what a great group of rookie racers. You know, I only figured out how to be a great racer because I had a great teacher, Doc Hudson. That's why I started this racing academy, so I could pay that forward to all of you.
Buddy,
Yes, Mater?
Doc wasn't the only one that taught you a thing or three.
That's right. He taught me how to drive backwards, how to tip tractors, how to be a great friend.
Yeah, and then you went on to win a heap of piston cups. Whee!
Now, winning is great and all, but Doc taught me at the end of the day, without your friends, it's just an empty cup. Doc's passion for racing was inspiring. If he couldn't outrace them, he would outthink them.
Ladies and gentle cars, the fabulous Hudson Hornet.
Wow. Now, to kick off today's lesson, I'm going to take a few laps on a simulator. I know what you're thinking. Simulators and I don't get along very well. Did you have to show that, Mater?
Well, it makes you more dramatic.
Yeah, but that's not going to happen this time, thanks to the tech-savvy rookie sensation and my friend, Cruz Ramirez.
Hello, everybody! After today, you'll be ready to meet it, greet it, and defeat it!
Exactly! Mater, boot up the simulator.
You got it. What? Oh, gotta push the button. Wrong button.
Right.
Initiating simulator.
Yeah, now that's what I'm talking about. Here we go, rookies. Help me with the countdown. 3, 2, 1, go! All right, it's always good to start with a practice lap. Warm up your tires.
Now, when you're racing, you want to keep an eye on your tire pressure, oil level, and fuel.
Exactly. As you get started, get used to the speed for a moment and pick a line and stick to it. Uh-oh, congestion ahead. What should we do, Cruz?
Imagine a stampede and hit the wheel.
Just like Smokey taught us.
Just a little tractor tipping.
Hey, whoa,
Hey, no.
what was that?
I didn't press nothing.
Probably a bug. I can fix this.
Sorry, rookies. I don't know how that happened.
Wait, the simulator was corrupted. I'm rebooting it now.
Got it. Okay. Now, it's important that you train on a variety of tracks. Let me show you. Select Tokyo, Japan.
Opening Japan.
Are you afraid to go for a drive because of a leaky tailpipe? I'm Lightning McQueen for Leak Less. Hit the trail without leaking on the trail. Not this. That was only supposed to air overseas. Guys, what's happening?
In our universe, there is only one race car that stands above the rest.
Doc Hudson?
One race car who is the champion of champions.
Mr. the King?
No, you know him as the greatest racer of all time.
Lightning McQueen.
No, Chick Hicks.
Chick Hicks? That's not who I was thinking of, but okay.
Hey, McLoser.
Chick? What are you doing here?
Well, I hacked into your silly simulator so I could race you and finally prove who's the best race car. Me or me?
Chick, you already beat me in a race.
Everyone says I only won that cup because you were helping the king. They say my championship was a fluke, which it wasn't. I'm here to settle this once and for all. Let's race, McQueen.
I am not racing you, Chick. We're busy training these rookies.
Okay, I'll sweeten the deal. If I win, every racer here gets a huge pile of cash. Must be appropriate agent wheel makes to claim huge pile of cash. Not responsible for loss or stolen items. One huge pile of cash for any customer. Offer not available in Orlando, Florida.
Come on, leave the rookies out of this.
I knew you were afraid to race me.
What do you rookies think? Should we race this guy?
Yeah, you can beat him.
Yeah.
Oh yes, you should race Chick, even though he's so much better. Come on, do it, Queen.
All right, let's do this. Mater, start up the simulator.
On it.
Please
select a course.
Chick Hicks Motor Speedway.
Come on, is that even a place?
It is now. All right, 3, 2, 1.
Wait, I'm facing the wrong way! Oh, got backwards here!
You got this, buddy. Remember, you don't need to know where you're going.
Right! I just need to know where I've been! All right, how am I doing, everyone?
You're doing great, buddy.
Oh, yeah? Because it looks to me like you're losing tire pressure. I'm slowing down!
Hack the system to change your stats!
Hey, that's cheating.
Don't worry, I'm activating team mode.
Activating team mode.
Mr. McQueen, you tires! Guido! It's the...
Hey, Luigi! Guido! Thanks! Hey, McQueen! Looks like you really do need some leak oil!
Oh, honey, don't worry. I got you. Come out.
Exactly what I needed, Flo! You know, racing with you is a real gas! Too bad you're running on empty! How can I be out of gas?
Organic fuel to the rescue, man.
Thanks, Fillmore! You're saving the race!
There's a race?
Your loser friends aren't enough to beat me, McQueen! You don't even know what a real friend is, Chick! Oh, yeah? Well, what do you call these guys? Oh, that's nightmares like this! Whoa!
Time to go old school, Mr. McQueen.
Old school? Oh, the dirt track? Who races on dirt?
Don't Hudson.
Doc! Don't break to go left! That doesn't even make sense. Does to me. Thanks, Doc.
Oh yeah, stickers! You're making Doc proud!
Hey, thanks! All right, Chick. Now it's just you and me. As Doc always said, you look like a Cadillac, sting like a beaver. You won? What was that? That's called teamwork. You only won because you got help from your friends.
Hey, guess what? I'm his friend too.
You are?
No one messes with my whip filter. I'm coming for you.
Nice going, Miss Ritter.
Well, rookies, that was not how I thought this lesson was going to go. But Chick reminded me that in the end, racing isn't about speed and flash and crossing the finish line. It's about the journey you take to get there and who you've got driving alongside you.
Oh, man, I'm getting all rusty-eyed back here.
Thanks for coming out today. Consider yourselves honorary members of my Lightning McQueen racing team. Now go out there and get your tires dirty. Ka-chow!
Have a great drive, everybody!
We'll see you rookies out on the track.
Thanks everyone for coming to Lightning McQueen's Racing Academy!
Please pack your belongings in your trunk and stay in your lanes as you exit.
Do not forget any items, because if you do, it's going to my junkyard.
Always follow the rules of the road.
Do not drive too fast or too slow. Drive kind of medium.
We'll see you out there on the highway.
If you're ever out west, be sure to drop by Radiator Springs. You can always stay at the Cozy Cone.
You're always welcome at Flo's V8 Cafe. Hey, you guys can stop by for my organic fuel anytime.